Fanny and I are off to meet Peter and Lily on Saint Antao, the island across the São Vicente Canal. It's an hour journey on a ferry. There are 2 different vessels that service the trip twice each day. The captains and crews that sail these ships deserve recognition. These vessels are solid and well-functioning, but they are second-hand, sold off by rich countries who replace them with top-of-the-line modern ferries. In crossing the canal on a daily basis, it's challenging. And then there's the docking, often in winds of more than 20 knots. So hats off to the crews and captains.
Beer, pretty funny how one beer can really affect you here on a boat.
Galopan was over there.
Alors, Fanny, nous sommes où? On est nous là? Saint-Antao. Et Saint-Antao, c'est joli, c'est beau. Beaucoup, non, beaucoup et beaucoup.
Ah,
et bonito, et nice. Très joli. Ah, voilà. Agora começava a aventura, uma Fanny. Yeah. Adventure starts. Me and Peter and a gaggle of girls.
Oi, gente! Cucu!
The thing we've got to do before our adventure is to get
Some drinks!
It was built like 40 years ago or something, all cobblestone, and you gotta imagine these guys that put in one rock at a time for I don't know how many kilometers, but amazing roads.
A lot of cobblestones. I'd love to know how many.
One of my friends here, Gilson, told me that his father worked on that road. And as they were building the road, Gilson's father had relations along the way. As a result, Gilson has 17 brothers and sisters. His father sure had a strong work ethic.
That's a boy. Lá, olha, ele tem que lá boy e femme. There's a boy and a girl. É bom que cuidar dele. Tem que a uma horta.
Quando memoravamo no va bene. Sapere.
Cape Verde and we've got pine cones. Pine cones in Cape Verde and cows that look like cows in Switzerland.
We're nearly 2,000 meters above sea level. And it's chilly up here, for some of us. That burro had a thing for Fanny, I think.
Way over there. How old do you figure that fucking terracing is?
Good question. The north end of the island is greener because of the clouds and moisture trapped here. And then we came here.
Lava!
We're on a ridge!
Ok, vamos parar ali. Oh! And we're on the edge of this mountain on the road. Over here, there's like an infinite drop, and over here, there's an infinite drop. Woo! Jesus.
Friends, you gotta check this out. We're on the edge of the mountain. On one side here, it's a vertiginous drop. On the other side there is another vertiginous drop. I'm gonna show you. This is absolutely unbelievable, stunning, beautiful. Okay, here we go. Right there. Okay, we're almost down this incredible road with Peter here. Absolutely stunning, and
It's a nice road.
wow, jeez, look at here. We gotta see this. It continues,
Endless.
and it's almost dark. That's where the road is continuing. There, we're still way up high in the mountains. Girls are cackling in the back, pissing in the road. It's some kind of scarecrow guy. I'm definitely scared.
I like to think it's a god of fertility.
I didn't see a big penis on him, but maybe. Here we are on a ridge.
Right here, in the middle.
In the middle. On the left, vertiginous drop. On the right.
I'm sure you're using the right word. I mean, I just want to put in my 2 cents there.
Vertiginous here. Vertiginous here. It's almost dark. We'll try to film as much as we can before it gets dark. We're still on the ridge here. It's amazing. Still a bit on the ridge here. Yeah. Check this out. We're still on the ridge. Left, infinite drop.
Left, right.
Vertiginous. Right, infinite drop. And it's a little greener here. It's getting warmer down here. It was cold way up there. Not cold for the Canadians on my left here.
Oh, and now it's hot again.
You
It
know,
was good. It was comfortable.
Nice,
And now
nice,
it's hot.
nice and warm.
Look at this. We got a canopy.
What? There's a car.
Yeah, but it's a Ford.
I think that's the one car we passed by.
Basically, yeah.
Yeah, not much traffic up here. Now, if you guys, tourist people who want to come here, don't come here. We don't want you here. There's too many cars. There was one car. That's one too many.
Here we are again.
Well,
Finally,
there's
pretty
the
much see it.
ocean.
Yeah.
Man, that's amazing. Like, we're like in the middle of a pine forest, and now we're like almost near the
I
ocean.
think here we get to see Riviera Grande. real quick. That's not Riviera Grande. That's where we're staying. There, look.
We're staying over there.
Lombranc est là.
Thanks for coming aboard Galopine Winded Voyage. This is our studios. You know, it's the good people on Patreon who are making this happen and keeping us afloat. Hope you'll join our community there. We've got a lot of cool extra perks this year, like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. Plus, our friend and patron Graham started a WhatsApp chat that he aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and we can talk, chat, uncensored, say whatever we want, and discuss anything. And it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. Or you can watch for free on YouTube. Just make sure to give us a like or dislike or leave a comment, and definitely subscribe. So thanks for coming along on Winded Voyage, man.